Hello everyone, it's Victor, the creator of BuckShotPlusPlus. And today I wanted to show you how events works in BuckShotPlusPlus. So basically events in BuckShotPlusPlus helps you to add interactivities to your page, to react to clicks, to mouse overs and stuff like that, to make your site maybe look better or just to make it more fun to use. So I will start right away by creating a new event that I will call test click, for example. Okay, let's say that. So the structure is the same as my views, okay? And like basically what an event will do is that like each time this event is executed, it will change the view properties with the ones in the event, okay? So for example, if I put the color, like the background color maybe more, like, okay, let's do that. The background color to pink, okay? Every time I will run this event, it will change my background color to pink. So for example, if I take my red hello view from previous video, I can add an on click. So it's the property to bind an event to the click. So I will use on click equals test click. So every time I click on a red hello view, it will trigger my test click event. Okay. So now if I run again my server and I go back here, I can reload my page. And if I click here, up, as you can see, the text changed, like the background color changed to pink as soon as I click it on the hello world. Okay. And so basically that's just how event works. So it's it's as simple as that, and you can alter any property that you want. So for example, if I change the content and that I put like, hey, you just click it. Okay, then I can again restart my server to make sure everything is up to date, restart my page, and if I click, okay, I need to interact with the page first. Hey, you just click it. If I click here, hey, you just click it. You see? Pretty simple, right? And of course, if I click on this one, nothing's happened for a simple reason, is that like I set up my event only to work with the red hello view. So everything that's inheriting from red hello will have my event and the other ones, no. And for example, I can change it also to like on mouse over, I think we write it like that. And so if I go back on the page, now each time that I'm hovering the stuff, it will display it. You see, pretty simple. And also what I can do is that like I can also create, for example, another event. So let's say, let's call him get out, because why not? And it will change the color to blue. And I will just say something like, you clicked here in the past. Okay. And so now I will put my on click to, no, I will keep on mouse over, and then I will use on mouse out to get out. Okay. You will find on the documentation more details about all the events types that you can use. So I will send a link. Feel free to check that to have all the, all the triggers that you can use to run your events. And so now if I run my page again, I go over the text, over my view, it changed the view. And if I go out, it changes it again, So it's just a nice way to alter your views. So you can be really creative with that and make something really interesting. And if you want to make something that is visually more appealing, you can use also in your views the property, for example, transition, which is a CSS property, and make it to like, for example, all, let's say 1 second. I think this should work just fine. And if I go back there, up, as you can see now, I have a smooth transitions between my colors, So you can use also any CSS properties like that to create nice animations and stuff like that and make your page more appealing, which right now we will all agree that it's really not. But yeah, that's it for today. I just wanted to explain to you how basically how events works, and I hope it will help.